Hey guys, so if your Kik 2FA is not working and you're looking for the solution, is that when this kind of error happens, is it usually because your clock or time zone is off by more than 30 seconds? Try to double check and properly synchronize both the time zone and your phone. Phone clock. Someone even wrote here, thanks mate, that was the problem. On my mobile it was 1 minute difference. Set the time on automatic and it's solved. So hope this video helped you. And like if the Kik 2FA is not working, I hope it's going to work out for you now. And have a great day and goodbye.